Welcome to the construction site. Look at all the machines. They are friendly. Let's see the vehicles at work. Go, machines, go! This is an excavator. Excavator. Can you say excavator? It is big and yellow. Excavator digs the ground. Watch the arm move. Scoop the sand. One more time. Dig, 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 dig. The excavator is happy. He loves to dig in the sand. Shaking the bucket, shake, shake, shake. You are a great digger, Edgar.
This is a dump truck. Dump truck. It is a red truck. Dump truck carries sand. Beep, 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 beep. Look at the back.
It goes up, down, dump. The sand falls out.
Good job.
The dump truck is very helpful. He carries everything away for us.
Look at the heavy load go. Empty and ready for more. 1, 2, 3, dump. Thank you, Dan the dump truck. You did it. This is a bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
It is orange and strong. Bulldozer pushes dirt. Push. Forward it goes. Push, push, push. The ground is smooth now. Billy is strong and works hard. Push the dirt, Billy. Good. The bulldozer is finished. The ground is ready for building. You are powerful and kind, Billy.
This is a cement mixer. Cement mixer. Look at the big drum. Mix, mix, mix the cement. Round and round it goes.
It is spinning slowly. Mix, 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 mix. Keeping the cement wet and soft. Round and round spin it. This is a road roller. Road roller. It has a giant wheel. This is for rolling.
It makes the road smooth. Roll, roll, roll. Now the cars can drive safely.
Great job today. We saw the excavator, dump truck, bulldozer, cement mixer,
And road roller. You are a helper.